Have you ever wondered what fuels the fire within successful individuals, driving them to achieve extraordinary things? The answer quite often is self-motivation. Let's take a journey into the life of Thomas Edison, a name that needs no introduction. Known as one of the greatest inventors in history, his journey was far from a walk in the park. Edison was born into a modest family in the mid-19th century. He had little formal education and was primarily homeschooled by his mother. As a young boy, Edison was curious and inquisitive. He began selling newspapers and candy on trains at the tender age of 12. The train became his laboratory, where he conducted various experiments. This was the first glimpse of his self-motivation. Fast forward a few years, Edison moved to New York with barely a penny in his pocket. He took up a job as a telegraph operator, but was not content. His thirst for knowledge and the drive to create something new led him to work on numerous experiments after his working hours. This was the beginning of his journey to become one of the most prolific inventors the world has ever seen. Edison's most notable invention, the practical electric light bulb, was not a product of luck or chance. It was the result of countless hours of dedication, experiments, and failures. He once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This statement reflects his unwavering self-motivation and determination to succeed, regardless of the obstacles in his path. Scene script. Edison's story is a testament to the power of self-motivation. His journey from a poor boy selling newspapers on trains to one of the greatest inventors of all time was fueled by his relentless drive, passion, and commitment to his dreams and goals. Now let's reflect on the main points about self-motivation we can take away from Edison's life. Firstly, self-motivation begins with curiosity. Edison's early inclination towards experiments was a sign of his curiosity. Curiosity fuels the desire to learn, explore, and achieve. Secondly, self-motivation requires persistence. Edison's journey was not smooth sailing. He faced numerous failures, but his persistent nature and the will to continue trying were the keys to his success. Lastly, self-motivation is about resilience. Edison's ability to bounce back from failures and setbacks and his determination to keep going despite the odds were instrumental in his achievements. In conclusion, self-motivation is a powerful tool that can propel us towards achieving our goals and dreams. It is the driving force that fuels our desire to learn, persist, and remain resilient in the face of adversity. So, let the story of Thomas Edison inspire you to ignite the fire of self-motivation within you and push you towards your own extraordinary achievements.